What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on this channel. In this video we are going to look at what are coroutines in Python. So coroutines are Python functions that can pause execution and resume later from where they left off, maintaining their state between calls, and they enable developers to write non-blocking concurrent code without threads or complex callbacks, making them particularly effective for input-output bound operations. So how exactly do coroutines work? So Python coroutines use the async def to create suspendable functions and await to pause execution until operations complete. This allows a single thread to handle multiple tasks concurrently through the event loop, providing efficient input-output performance without the complications of traditional threading. So we are looking at coroutines in action, where we have an example code for you. So take your time and pull out your VS Code and do well to typing out this code to test how coroutines work. Do let us know how it went in the comment section. In this actual example, the while fetch data is awaiting for the network response, which is simulated by async io.sleep function. The event loop could potentially run other coroutines, and when the awaited operation completes, execution resumes right where it left off. And this pattern enables developers to write code that reads sequentially but executes concurrently, making it easier to reason about complex asynchronous workflows. Thank you for watching this video. If you finish with a programming problem, do well to let us know how it went in the comment section.